Afër me është edhe Mikajllet Mushi që kësaj radhe s'po të lëshaj shqip kime në folj. Qysh po njëherë që po vazhdon me ngrit trofe me Trepçan? Shkort, s'më
I don't know how to speak. Wallah, I get blocked immediately. Important is kena fitu kupat. I can't speak. Wallah, sorry.
Okay.
I don't know what to say. I just want to thank to all Torcida. You see what kind of atmosphere they made. They always I'm just repeating myself. They always supporting us through the whole season. But this was the most important game. We fight all this season, all 10 months, to have chance to play home in front of our fans and to have chance to win the championship, and we did tonight. I think we did a great job in defense. I think we stopped the main players of them. We play very aggressive defensively and offensively. I think it wasn't perfect, but I think it was enough to win the game in championship.
And what you have to say to the fans tonight? At least this.
Tonight, I hope we're gonna keep celebrating. I don't know there is so, but we're gonna celebrate for Dermenjes, inshallah.
Okay. Thank you
Anything
very
else?
much.
No.
I'm not keeping you anymore. Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
and congrats for the win.
Ciao.
Atëherë ishim me Mikajllet Mushiqin, shpresova që kësaj radhe po na fol shqip, por as kësaj radhe nuk foli shqip, gjithsesi ai tha që ishte ndeshje e vështirë dhe I ndalëm lojtarët kryesor. Ky ishte definitivisht Chelsea I kësaj fitore, nuk ishte më e mira nga ne, po ishte mjaftueshme që të arrijmë deri tek fitoria. I falenderoj gjithashtu edhe tifozët të cilët I përkrahën në ndeshjen kryesore sonte, pra ishin këtu bashkë me ta. Për pak qaste po shpresoj që do ta kemi kësaj radhe edhe trajnerin Adis Beqirakic.